In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix recovery mode in Replit. If Replit is getting stuck in recovery mode or not loading the way it should, one common cause is that JavaScript is disabled in your browser settings. Replit depends on JavaScript to run properly, so in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to check that setting and turn it back on if needed. First, go to Replit in your web browser. Once the page is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. This is where you'll usually find the main browser controls and settings options we need for this fix. In that top right corner, click on the three dots. This opens the browser menu where you can access several tools and configuration options. If you don't immediately see the setting you're looking for, don't worry, just continue into the main settings area from this menu. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to your browser's settings page, where you can control things like privacy, permissions, and website behavior. Since Replit is a web app, these browser permissions can directly affect whether it loads correctly. Once you're in settings, look to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains the options related to how websites interact with your browser, including permissions for scripts and other content. After that, click on Site Settings. This is the area where your browser lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, such as using cookies, notifications, camera access, and JavaScript. For this issue, JavaScript is the important one. Now click on JavaScript. This will open the specific setting that controls whether websites can run JavaScript in your browser. Here, make sure the option that allows sites to use JavaScript is enabled. If it's turned off, Replit may not function correctly and can appear stuck or broken, including showing recovery-related problems. Turn it on if necessary. Once that setting is enabled, go back to Replit and refresh the page. In many cases, that's all it takes to resolve the issue. If the page was previously stuck, it should now load more normally. As an extra tip, if JavaScript is already enabled and the issue continues, try reloading the tab again after a few seconds. Sometimes browser setting changes need a quick refresh to fully apply, and that's how to fix recovery mode in Replit by checking your browser's JavaScript settings.